Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone and today I would like to go through all keyboard settings that you can customize here. So at first you need to reach Settings, then enter General and click on Keyboard. And here let's start with keyboards. If you'll tap here, you'll be able to manage all keyboard languages. If you'll tap on Edit, you can remove some languages that you want to get rid of, or by tapping on Add New Keyboard, you can add some language that you want to have. Then let's go back. Now you can manage text replacement. One-handed keyboard, so once you turn it on, you need to select if it's left or right side. It will be displayed just in this particular screen panel. For example, left. Let me show you how it works. So you've got it only over here. However, every time you're using your keyboard, you can expand it to the full size. So let me go back to the setup. Then we've got all keyboards settings. So here you can manage a lot of features like auto capitalization, caps lock, smart notation, character preview, shortcut. Then in English you can activate autocorrection, check spelling, predictive text, slide to type, delete slide to type by word, enable dictation and auto punctuation. Obviously you can manage all of them however you like. And finally you've got also emoji stickers, so here you can switch them on or off. It's up to you. So actually that's it. As you can see, here are all keyboard settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.